On the very first lesson, you learn about what's going to be on your drive test. Like, what's the number one reason why people fail the drive test? What's the number one reason why they lose points? What will they ask you on the drive test? What will you be asked to perform on the drive test? And there's a lot of unique things that we cover on our other driving lessons, such as where do you find the speed limit signs? That's important on the drive test. What's the legal maximum parking distance from the curb? Also, we're going to cover parking and backing up on later lessons. And some of the things that make my driving school unique is that we're going to cover things. What are the white lights on the back of the car for? Is it legal to make a left turn over a solid double yellow line? Do pedestrians always have the right of way when they cross the street? Is it legal to make a lane change in an intersection? Is it legal to drive over two sets of solid double yellow lines? If you lock the key in the car, what should you do? Are bicycles legally allowed to ride in the street like a car? What's the speed limit in a school zone and when does it apply? What's a short fat white line between lanes mean? And what does the golden black speed sign mean? And do you ever drive over a sidewalk? And the most important question is, when you're going straight, the light turns yellow. What's the number one thing you need to look out for if you're going straight through yellow light? A lot of people don't know that, and that one's a killer. So come with me so you can find out the answers to these questions. I like teaching driving because parents and students tell me all the time that they learned a lot. And that's because I drove as a messenger for 7 years, so I can predict what the other drivers will do before they do it. And I try and tell the students that while we're on the driving lesson. Also, my lessons are unique because I'll take students on a one-way street. I might take a student on a street where there's a stop sign that's blocked behind a tree. I might take you on a street where we make a left-hand turn, and if students aren't paying attention, they drive on the wrong side of the road. So I have fun challenging my students in ways that the other driving schools will not. So if you want to learn the most, come to my driving school. Thanks.